trying them on some puppy friendly peanut butter. It's to make them work for it. They've already had the smell, as you can tell. Oh God, I've got fingers. We like that, don't we? Go on, stand up. Stand up and reach it. Go on, go. Not you, Mummy. You can finish what they don't finish. I think they're like this. Shall I lower it down a bit?
Yeah.
You can see why for him. Come on then. There you go. Oh God, I'm going to get my hands in it again. There you go. We like puppy friendly peanut butter, do we? That's a winner, isn't it?
Bells loves it.
Oh, Bella's not leaving it. He's back. I mean, come Dad trying to get in. He can have the leftovers. You want some, Mummy? Hey? Put some on for you after when they're finished. Oh, you lick it off me thumbs. I love it. Brilliant. She hasn't stopped. Go on, Paddy. Go on in. What's this? Go on, boy. Go on, help him. He's joining. Alright, they might lick your tongue, but it's alright. They're your kids. Go on. What's this, boy? Go on. Go on, Rug. Then don't be scared of them. Come on, you're bigger than them. Come on. Come on then. Go on then.
Bella, what a little fatty.
Oh, they like it. Give it a little wash out. That could be topped up again tomorrow. I think she likes it more than them too. Go on then, boy. Daddy's helping you. Daddy's giving a helping hand. He'll get to the parts you can't reach. He loves it. Good man. Show him how it's done. We'll have to top it up for him. Look at that, dad and daughter. What a team. Right.